quite bullish. But what happens at 109.5 will be an endorsement of the medium to long-term trend for the dollar index.
Right, Jay, we'll keep you for a little bit more because we'll have you on Markets Forward as well. But for the time being, we need to wind down on the show. It was a solid trading session with the Nifty ending with the gains of around 170 points. Adani Ports was the biggest gain on the Nifty, up 6%. NTPC did well with a gain of around 2.5%. And Adani Enterprises as well did well. What didn't do too well? You had Bharti Airtel as well as Hero MotoCorp, that both of them came in for some profit taking. But the party was in the broader markets. You had new listings. Enviro Infra, that stock was up close to 15%. Niva Bupa was up more than 10% in trade today. NTPC Green was up more than 10%. I'm talking about these names because they all listed in the last 30 days or so, and both of them had a very, very good run. A few more gainers in today's trading session on high volumes included HCC and HEG, both of them flying away in trade. On the flip side, the biggest loser on the downside was Granules. Well, the street was hopeful for a resolution that came about in one of their plants, but the facility that contributes more than 60% of their total revenues, well, that one's back in the dock, and now the fear is things could escalate on the downside from here on as well. So that's why that stock did see a sharp sell-off in today's trading session. Well, on that note, though, we'll wrap up on this edition of Closing Bell. You stay with us because Markets Forward